Tello has unlimited talk, text, and 1 gigabyte of data for $10 a month. Hey guys, today I'm going to check out the Tello plans and features for October 2019. Now before we get started, I want to say this is not a complete review. I'm just going to check out the plans and features on Tello.com to see what they have to offer, see what this is about. I had a few people recommend this service to me when I was looking to change carriers. All right, I'm here on Tello.com, link in the description below. All right, overpriced wireless is over. New irresistible phone plans are here. No contracts, no fees, flexible plans from $5 to $39, unlimited text in any plan. All right, next below that, why Tello? So they give you 4 reasons why you might want to choose Tello. They have nationwide 4G LTE coverage, break free from contracts, no fees whatsoever. Awesome referral program. All right, so for the 4G LTE network, they use the Sprint network. So if you live in an area where Sprint has acceptable coverage, this could be a good choice for you. If the Sprint network doesn't work well where you live, then you'd probably be better off with a different carrier. All right, break free from contracts. Yep, most prepaid companies do not include contracts. No fees whatsoever. We do prepaid, so no contract, no activation, or early termination. What you see is what you get. And then an awesome referral program, so you can refer your friends and family. So let's check out the fees. I'm interested, do they charge taxes and extra fees each month? And I don't see that here. It just says contract activation or termination fees. So we'll have to see if they charge sales tax later on. All right, so now down here in the what's different section, they have a very good description of what they offer: flexible plans, transparency, no defined phone plan combos, tether away for free, no ring time charges, some customer testimonials. Now, I'm going to say right now, this site looks pretty good. I like the way they've set this up. There seems to be a lot of information here, and it seems to be very clear. A lot of people ask me, why do I go through these sites and explain these things? Well, believe it or not, a lot of people find all of this stuff confusing. They don't know where to start. They don't know what they're looking at. They're not familiar with prepaid wireless. And when a company like Tello makes their site clear like this, it makes it a lot easier for people to figure it out. All right, so under the plans, they have a choice. You can build your own plan, or you can choose one of their ready-made plans. Now, this is pretty nice, except for the fact when I came to this page, I don't realize until I scroll down that they have ready-made plans. It would be nice if that was clearer up front. But they have 4 ready-made plans. For $10 a month, you can get their economy plan, 1 gigabyte of data with unlimited text and unlimited minutes. Now, all these ready-made plans include unlimited text and unlimited minutes. So they just change in the amount of data, the 4G LTE high-speed data that's available. So this was the plan I talked about in the intro: unlimited talk, text, and 1 gigabyte of data for $10. The value plan comes with 2 gigabytes of data. That's $14 a month. The smart plan includes 4 gigabytes of data for $19 a month. And then the data plan comes with 12 gigabytes of data for $39 a month. So I'd say the economy, value, and smart plans are a very good deal there. The data plan is pretty good too. But once you get up into the $40 a month range, you might want to shop around a little bit to see what other people have to offer as well. And then if we go back up, they have a build your own plan. And you can choose the amount of minutes you want, a fixed amount of minutes, or even no minutes, it looks like, or unlimited minutes. And then you can choose the amount of data you want. So if you just wanted unlimited minutes, and you didn't need data, $8 a month, that would give you unlimited talk and text, but no data. And you could choose no minutes and just data. What would it cost you for 1 gigabyte of data? So no minutes and 1 gigabyte of data, $6 a month. If you just want to use data with your phone, that's not too bad a deal. So you can choose between a fixed amount of minutes per month or unlimited minutes, and then different amounts of high-speed data. $18 a month, you can get 500 minutes per month with all the text you want and 4 gigabytes of data. Very good pricing. Very good pricing here. All right, more about the plans. 4G LTE data, unlimited data usage. Now, once you use up that fixed amount of data, your speeds are going to be throttled down to 2G speeds, but you'll still have data. They include hotspot, so you'll be able to use hotspot with your data. You'll be able to share your phone's data connection with your other devices or friends. Minutes can be used to call US, Canada, Mexico, and China. That's a great combination. That covers a lot of what people want to do. So the plans renew automatically every 30 days. So the monthly plans are 30 days long. Then you can upgrade or downgrade your plan anytime with no extra fees. All right, so what's in it for you? No contract, no fees, starting from $5, free tethering, reconfigure anytime, US, Mexico, and China calls. Really great summary here. This is very nicely organized. International calling, you can check out the rates if you're interested. You'll have a choice. You can get a phone from Tello, or you can bring your own phone. Now, if you read smartphonematters.com or you watch my YouTube channel, you know I'm a big fan of bring your own phone. Let's see what they offer for phones. They have iPhones. Now, it looks like all of the iPhones they have are refurbished except the iPhone 8. Price on the iPhone 8 to me looks a little higher. I think you could buy that for less money directly from Apple. For $699, you could buy the brand new iPhone 11. So if you were interested in an iPhone, I think you might want to shop around a little bit. Let's check out the Samsung phones. Now, all the Samsung phones are refurbished as well. I'm sure they're giving you a good warranty and support on that phone compared to, say, buying a phone on eBay. And if you scroll down here, it says if you didn't find the phone you were looking for, you could buy a Sprint network-ready device from a different seller and bring it along. A frequently asked questions section right in the bottom of the page. That's nice. Now, if you have more questions, you can visit their help center. So let's check that out. And they have a FAQ, or frequently asked questions section here. It's searchable. So general questions, questions about voicemail, roaming. I think they offer an app, and that app has some type of Wi-Fi calling available with it. So I did not see that they support the carrier's Wi-Fi calling, but it looks like you could make calls over Wi-Fi using the Tello app. All right, so here's a good one. Can you send or receive MMSs? MMSs are picture messages. They just tell you that you need to have a data balance if you want to be able to send MMSs. So a lot of people don't realize that when you send an MMS, it uses data as well as a text message. Now, some carriers include that data with the text messages, but most prepaid carriers charge you for that data used with the picture messages. Are there any hidden charges? Okay, so our products are subject to local and federal taxes, but there are no hidden fees applied to the prices displayed on the website. So you are going to pay sales tax, and you're probably going to pay things like your E911 fee or universal service and recovery fees. They offer three-way calling, questions on portability, questions on the phone plans, how much charge for Mexico, Canada, or China calls. If you have an active prepaid plan with talk included, we'll deduct the number of minutes used to call Mexico from your plan's phone balance. So there is just a tremendous amount of work and effort went into creating this FAQ. This is really impressive. A lot of the questions look like they're answered here. So if you have additional questions about it, check out the FAQ because there's a lot of information here. Now, one thing I didn't see here is whether or not you can buy additional data. You know what? Let's try that. Let's try the search and see if we can find add-on data. Okay, so the first few answers don't look too good. Mailing address, billing address, billing address. How do I activate data? The fourth one, if I run out of balance on my plan before renewal date, how can I continue to use the service until then without changing my current plan renewal date? So they have something called pay-as-you-go. So it looks like the pay-as-you-go applies to calls and text, but maybe not data. So if you use up your data within a month, you may just be stuck with the 2G data until you renew. That could be something that could be made clearer in the FAQ. All right, so I got to say, I am pretty impressed by the prices that Tello has to offer, the amount of flexibility, and how clearly the website is arranged and the amount of information that is available. What about you? Are you using Tello? Do you like it? Hit me up in the comments and let me know. That's going to be it for this video, and I will talk to you next time.